The motion is approved.
Naganap po ngayon lamang ay motion ng Majority Leader ng Senado at Majority Leader ng Kamara na hinihiling ang pag-aproba o pagtanggap sa committee report para iproklama ng panalo si Nonoy Aquino at Jojo Marbinay na parehong tinanggap at pinalakpakan ng buong Kongreso.
Of both the House and the Senate.
Report of the Joint Committee on the canvass of votes for the presidential and vice presidential candidates in the May 10, 2010 election. Resolution of both houses number 1. Resoluing the report of the Joint Committee declaring the results of the national elections held on May 10, 2010 for the offices of President and Vice President and proclaiming the duly elected President and Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines.
Mr. President,
Majority Floor Leader,
on the part of the Senate, as members of the Joint Committee, this representation will sponsor the report on the canvassing of the COCs for the May 10, 2010 elections. Thereafter, we'll recognize the Senate Minority Leader, Senator Pimentel, also for his statement.
the
House Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, on the part of the House of Representatives, this representation and the Honorable Neftali Gonzalez II, as members of the Joint Committee, will sponsor the report on the canvassing of the certificates of canvass of the May 10, 2010 elections.
They shall be so recognized after the senators have delivered their sponsorship speech.
the Majority Floor Leader of the Senate, Juan Miguel Zubiri, is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. Allow me to start my speech with some lines from Rizal's Noli Me Tangere. Sa inyong makakakita ng bukang liwayway, batiin ninyo ito ng buong sigla at huwag kalimutan ang mga nasawi sa dilim ng gabi. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Mr. President, Mr. Speaker, tomorrow we will see the light of the day with a new President and Vice President-elect, a new hope, a new beginning. The exercise of the right of suffrage is a too valuable constitutional right that cannot be compromised, trampled, or disregarded, if not totally reduced to nothing. The legitimacy or illegitimacy of a government rests on the credibility of the electoral exercise that catapulted it to power. The mandate of the sovereign and the trust reposed on the government by the governed should be planted, cultivated, harvested based on the seeds of truth. Mr. President, Mr. Speaker, distinguished colleagues in the Senate and in the House of Representatives, ladies and gentlemen, as mandated by the Constitution and obligated by the Filipino people, it is my pride and honor to sponsor the report of the Joint Committee on the canvass of votes for the presidential and vice presidential candidates in this monumental and historical May 10, 2010 automated elections before this joint public session of Congress. Exactly a month after the country's first nationwide automated elections, we are gathered here to fulfill our constitutional duty, the last official act of the 14th Congress, that is to proclaim the President and Vice President-elect in the last May 10, 2010 elections. Today, after the historic automated elections which awed, bewildered, amused, and even confused both the electorate and the candidates with the speed of the counting of votes and transmitting the results by machine that we now know as the PICOS, or the Precinct Count Optical Scan machines. Congress will now give its
Ang kasalukuyang nagtatalumpati po ay ang Majority Floor Leader ng Senado, si Senador Zubiri. At bibigyan po ng pagkakataon, malaman natin kung meron pang ibang mga bibigyan ng pagkakataon magtalumpati dyan sa proklamasyon, sa seremonya ng pagproklama sa bagong Pangulo at pangalawang Pangulo ng ating bansa.
Pati yata ang minority.
Kanina nabanggit,
pagbibigay din ng talumpati.
Sa panig pa lang yan ng Senado.
Correct.
Bibigyan din ng kaparehong pagkakataon yung panig ng mababang kapulungan o ng Kamara. Mel, malaman natin siguro mamaya sa mga kasamahan natin nandyan kaya sina Senador Villar, Senadora Madrigal, Senador Rojas, Senador Gordon.
Pakaganda ng tanong mo, Mike, pero siguradong nandiyan dyan si Senador Noynoy Aquino.
Naman. Pasado 2:00 ngayong hapon, dumating dyan sa Batasang Pambansa si Senador Noynoy Aquino para sa kanyang proklamasyon. Siya po ang magiging ika-15 presidente ng Republika ng Pilipinas. Kasamang dumating ni Senador Aquino ang kanyang bunsong kapatid na si Chris Aquino Yap, na nakita nyo kanina ang katabi ng iba nilang mga kapatid. Nakikita nyo yung pagdating niya kanina, sinasalubong siya ng ilang mga, ayan si Chris, mga kapuso, nakalimutan na yata si Senador Noynoy, wag naman. Okay, siyempre masaya po ang atmosphere. Ika nga, tingnan nyo yung mikropono, pati yun, kulay dilaw. Mga kapuso,
Ang suot ni Noynoy na barong na likha ng fashion designer na si JC Buendia. Ang kapatid naman niyang si Chris, nakaitim, off-shoulder ang suot ni Chris.
Patuloy yun, and apart from that, marami pang ibang mga proyekto si Noy na gustong...
Ito kaya ipangitain na kung sino ang magiging First Lady ni Noynoy.
Thank you.
O nga nung Mel, kapansin-pansin na ang kasamang dumating ni Senador Aquino ay si Chris. Hindi si Balsi, hindi si Pinky.
Nakita natin sa gallery kanina.
At saka yung iba pa, o yung mga bayaw niya, si James. Ayan, mga kapuso, pagpasok niya dyan sa, hindi siya dumiretso sa plenary hall, mga kapuso. Alinsunod sa itinaktang proseso o sistema dyan, sila ay naghintay sa isang tinatawag na holding room. Sila po ni Makati Mayor Jojo Marbina ay kasama na ang mga malalapit na miyembro ng kanilang mga pamilya para tawagin sila ng formal at opisyal pumasok sa plenary room para sa pag-uumpisa ng seremonya nagaganap sa mga sandaling ito na napapanood nyo live mula dyan sa may Batasan.
Authentic and duly executed. The results of the canvass show, Mr. President, Mr. Speaker, to the Filipino people, that Benigno Simeon Cojuangco Aquino III, gathering a total of 15,208,678 votes with a lead of over 5,720,841 over the second placer, obtained the highest number of votes for president.
Kanina nakita din natin ang mga commissioner ng Commission on Elections, Mel, no?
Siya nga.
Sa pangunguna ni Chairman Melo. Nandyan din yung mga kaibigan ni Senador Aquino mula sa larangan ng showbiz. Si Mother Lily.
Si Boy Abunda.
Si Boy Abunda.
Si Boy Abunda.
Nandyan din si Ogie Alcacid.
Katabi ni Soledad,
si Shalani Ponsihala. Nandyan din, syempre, girlfriend ni Senador Noynoy.